Hello and welcome to CESA2's Tech Tip. Today we're going to talk about Google Forms and using it as a scaffolding tool to help guide your students through the formative learning process. Now, you're going to want to make sure that in the settings you have make it a quiz, and we're going to want to release that grade immediately so that the students can get immediate feedback. So we're going to make sure that we can tell them whether they want their missed questions or correct answers shown or not. And then we're going to save this. And then there are some ways where we can scaffold right in the quiz itself. We could be putting in a description here. If we come down here and we add a description, we can put a link to a website we studied in class, or we could add a picture in the question. So if we're studying, let's say, Wisconsin tribes, we want to make sure we highlight that for them. We could also put questions in the answers. We could do a Google image search for Ottawa tribes, and we could put this in there, the questions. Now, that might help remind their memory about what was covered in class, but we could also add some information in the answer key. If you click on the answer key, we can set this to 0 points or however many points we want, but in the answer key we can provide feedback for incorrect and correct answers. So that way students we can vary what the students are getting based on their incorrect or correct answers. And you could add a PDF, you could add a YouTube video, you could add a website link here or a link to a PDF. So you can have it customized based on their answers. And then you can send that out, or we'll just show you how it works. If I go here and I fill this out, I can come down here and click, and then when I submit, we can remind the students that if they view their score, if they click this right away, they can then see the feedback you've given them and then extend their learning or kind of scaffold back to kind of relearn what they missed. Hope that helps, and have a great day.